In this video, I will show you how to recover your Ubisoft account without an email. Open your browser, search for Ubisoft support and hit enter. Then click on Contact Us. Scroll down and select Account Management and Security. Click on Account Login and Recovery. Enter an alternate email where Ubisoft can contact you. Input your Ubisoft username. Provide the email associated with the lost account. If you registered a CD key, copy and paste it into the form. If your Ubisoft account is linked to Steam, retrieve your CD key, open Steam, go to Library, right-click on a Ubisoft game. Here I am using GTA 5 as an example. Under Manage, select CD key, copy the key and paste it into the form. Attach screenshots or other proof of account ownership. If your Ubisoft account was linked to Steam, Xbox, or PlayStation, enter those usernames. Describe any recent changes to your account, like profile picture, linked accounts, or past purchases. Avoid sharing personal identifiable information, like passwords. Scroll down and click Submit Request. Ubisoft will email you recovery steps within 24 to 48 hours. That's it. Follow the instructions Ubisoft sends to recover your account. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.